are going to do a race. So somebody might win. So let's see.
So I only get 2 more.
Go! Then we go back. The winner of the day, of the first place winner is Mario. You mean Sonic? Sonic. Bye now.
Bye.
Bye. You want to do another one? No. We see.